Welcome back. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most ambitious, extravagant, and futuristic vehicles ever created, the luxury motorhome mansion truck. This isn't just transportation, it's a moving skyscraper, a futuristic penthouse, and a technological showcase all rolled into one. It is designed not only to carry you from place to place, but to redefine what it means to live and travel on the road. From the moment it enters your view, the sheer size takes your breath away. Nearly 20 meters long, over 7 meters tall, and close to 5 meters wide, this machine towers over anything else on the highway. It's built on a multi-axle heavy-duty truck base, but the design takes inspiration from architecture more than traditional automotive styling. The front cab alone looks futuristic, with a tinted black panoramic windshield, razor-thin LED headlights, and a massive chrome grille that feels like it belongs on a concept vehicle. Add in dual vertical exhaust stacks and 14 chrome alloy wheels, and you immediately know this isn't a motorhome like any other. At night, futuristic LED underglow lights illuminate the pavement, giving the impression that the entire vehicle is floating above the ground. But the true spectacle begins when your eyes travel upward. Rising above the cab is a 3-level glass mansion. Each floor is wrapped in floor-to-ceiling tinted windows framed with polished chrome. From the outside, the effect is stunning, like a modern tower rendered in pearl white and metallic silver, with bold black accents carving out its aerodynamic silhouette. Panoramic glass balconies extend outward with sleek chrome railings, while futuristic staircases with glowing LED steps connect the decks like floating walkways. It looks less like an RV and more like a futuristic skyscraper that somehow gained the ability to roll down the road. Step inside, and the sense of scale and luxury only grows. The ground level greets you with a grand lounge, framed by expansive windows that flood the space with natural light. Premium white leather sofas, polished wood flooring, and golden ambient lighting create the atmosphere of a high-rise penthouse. A built-in media wall with an 8K smart display and a high-fidelity surround sound system transforms the lounge into a private cinema at the push of a button. The kitchen area is equally impressive, fully equipped with a modern induction cooktop, convection oven, refrigerator with smart inventory tracking, and abundant counter space. A convertible dining table expands to seat guests comfortably, while hidden storage ensures everything remains neatly stowed away during travel. The design isn't just about luxury, it's about practicality for extended journeys. Climb to the second level, and you'll discover private suites that rival high-end apartments. Bedrooms feature queen-sized beds with memory foam mattresses, automated climate control, and customizable mood lighting. The bathrooms are equally luxurious, boasting rainfall showers, designer fixtures, stone countertops, and even heated flooring. It's the kind of detail you'd expect in a luxury hotel, not a vehicle on wheels. On the top deck, the experience becomes even more unique. Here, expansive lounge areas and glass-wrapped balconies give you a true 360-degree view of your surroundings, whether it's a bustling city skyline or a serene mountain landscape. Imagine sipping coffee at sunrise or hosting friends for an evening gathering, all while elevated several meters above the road. It's this sense of space and freedom that sets the mansion truck apart from anything else. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout. A central smart system manages everything from climate control to lighting and security. Voice-activated assistants respond to natural commands, dim the lights, adjust the temperature, or cue up a movie. Every floor is equipped with touchscreen control panels for convenience. Connectivity is never an issue thanks to full satellite internet, advanced GPS, and 5G integration. It's a motorhome designed for both luxury travel and remote living, no matter how far you roam. Performance is equally ambitious. Underneath, a hybrid drivetrain pairs a powerful diesel engine with advanced electric motors for a combined output of over 600 horsepower. Despite its massive size, adaptive air suspension smooths out the ride, adjusting automatically to terrain. Whether you're gliding down highways or navigating mountain passes, stability and comfort remain constant. Integrated solar panels on the roof capture renewable energy, supplementing the onboard battery system and reducing the need for frequent refueling stops. Safety has been engineered with the same cutting-edge approach. Drivers benefit from 360-degree camera views, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. The reinforced chassis is built from aerospace-grade materials, balancing strength with efficiency. Towing capacity is equally impressive, allowing owners to haul additional vehicles, boats, or recreational gear effortlessly. Of course, exclusivity and innovation come at a price. Positioned firmly in the ultra-luxury category, the mansion truck is expected to command a starting price well above $2 million. Higher specifications, custom interiors, and exclusive packages can push the figure even higher. But for its clientele, the value lies not in the numbers, but in the unmatched combination of freedom, luxury, and futuristic design. It is not merely transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. When you step back and take it all in, the mansion truck represents more than just a new motorhome. It's a vision of future travel, a mobile residence that allows you to experience the world without ever sacrificing comfort, technology, or style. It brings together the convenience of modern smart living, the indulgence of luxury design, and the thrill of mobility in a way that no vehicle has ever done before. So whether it's a cross-country journey, a coastal road trip, or simply the freedom to live wherever inspiration takes you, this futuristic motorhome mansion proves that the road itself can be the destination. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most extraordinary motorhomes ever conceived, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and stay tuned for the next journey.